Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we learned to retrieve a single row using fetch1. But most database operations require fetching an entire result set. This lesson focuses on the fetchall method, which is essential for working with multiple records. 1. Inserting multiple sample records. To ensure our fetchall command works correctly, let us quickly insert a few more records into the users table using MySql Workbench. 2. Executing the full select query. Back in Python, we used the select asterisk from users query, this time without the limit 1 clause, to retrieve all available records. The cursor.execute parenthesis command sends this query to the server. 3. Retrieving all results with fetchall parenthesis. The cursor.fetchall parenthesis method retrieves all remaining rows from the query's result set and returns them as a list of tuples. Each tuple in the list represents one row of data. We can then easily iterate through the all_records list to process each user individually. To summarize, you can now read, retrieving single records or entire datasets. Our next lecture 28.09, Create. See you there.